This chapter is about the nervous system. I want to start with a metaphor, example. I'm walking down the street and a car horns. So what happens? I jump on the side, right? So what is happening is the sound comes in through my ears. I might even see the car then. That information comes into our brain, and the brain processes that information with a lot of complex steps, from the cell to the areas, the total area. So the brain interprets the information and then reacts to it. To do both, to understand the information, you need to have all these areas working together, different parts of the brain, and to react, you also need different parts of the brain. So I'm just going to summarize the areas, what are the parts of the brain that are relevant to understand this, actually the whole thing. Our brain consists of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain, the spinal cord, and the neurons, the glia cells. So the brain is then controls the body, the spinal cord transmits the signals, and the neurons and the glia cells send and receive information throughout the body. Then we've got the peripheral system, and that has, again, sub areas: the nerve fibers, the somatic system, the automatic nervous system, and the enteric system. All of these, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, they all work together, of course. So the nerve fibers communicate from the central nervous system to the rest of the body. The somatic system, which means voluntary movements throughout the body. And then within this we have the autonomic nervous system, and the autonomic nervous system is the fight or flee reaction, which is important for our stress bit. So autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic, emergency, uh-oh, there's a tiger, run. Parasympathetic, no danger, relax, right? And then we have the enteric system, which is the gastrointestinal system. So all of these things, all of these areas work together. Information comes in, processed, and the reaction. Okay? Thank you.